Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can record screen in your iPhone. So by default we get screen recording app installed in the iPhone. So to record from right screen top corner, just drag down and here you can see an icon with circular shape. Inside that one more circle is there. So this is a screen recording app. By tapping on it you can start the screen recording. In your phone, if this icon is not appearing, then I have made another video on how to add this screen recording option, so you can check that video. I will put that video link in the description. So to record the screen, just tap on this and it will begin the timer. In 3 seconds it will start the screen recording. So now the screen recording has been started. So to stop it, so over here you need to tap it. So once you tap it, and prompt will appear, screen recording, stop screen recording. So to stop, just tap on the stop button. So now the screen recording video file has been saved to photos. So to open the recorded file, just tap on photos and here you can see this was the screen recording which we had done. So by default, if you record the screen, the audio will not get recorded. So to record the iPhone screen with audio, from top right hand screen corner, just swipe it down and here in the screen recording icon, just long press and here you will see microphone option is turned off. So by default it will be turned off. That's the reason you will not get audio recorded with your screen recording. So to enable it, just tap on it and now the microphone has been enabled. So now whenever you record your screen, the audio will also record. So let's try it. Just tap on it to record. So now the audio will also get recorded. So let's stop this recording and see if voice has been recorded or not. Just tap on stop. The file has been saved to photos. Just open the photos and let's access the video recording file and see if audio has been. So here you can see with screen recording the audio has been also recorded. So this is how you can record your iPhone screen with audio or without audio. So now once enabling the microphone, whenever you record screen, sound will also get recorded. So if you want to turn off the sound recording while recording the screen, then you just need to turn off this microphone. Then in your future videos it will not record the audio. So this is how you can record screen with sound or without sound on your Apple iPhone. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.